Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're outside again. Travis is working on a rotary tiller that belonged to his daddy, Emery. He done a lot of welding work in his days, and he done some welding on this rotary tiller. And it's sort of messing up a little, so Travis is going to redo it. He don't want to see this rotary tiller just go to waste. He wants to get it back behind the tractor and using it. So in today's video, we're going to bring y'all along of redoing a rotary tiller. He'll be doing a lot of different things. I'm not really sure what, but I'm going to bring you along to see what he does to replace and fix some of the parts on this rotary tiller. Y'all come on.
Banjo wants to ride. He wants to stand back there on the back.
He's got to do a little bit of work to that plow. I think that's what you call it. I ain't really sure what. But that's what he's doing this weekend.
Old Pop built that.
Papa Emery.
I'm trying to fix it instead of just throwing it away.
What? Tight squeeze. This is what he made. And even put the holes in there for the bolts. Threaded them. Then he's going to put those hinges on that. And on that, I think. I'm gonna video them welding, but I gotta turn my head, so I hope I keep it aimed in the right spot.
We ain't done yet.
Gotta look the other way. Making old stuff new again. This work can be used. Yep, I knew to get away before them bad words started happening. I don't say bad words. I try not to say bad words.
He is almost done. Like that one last hinge. I don't know what that spot's gonna be for.
It's done. Is it done? Well, you got that part on there. He didn't build it lightweight, did he? Papa Emery always had to put heavy steel on everything, but it would last. Okay, y'all, now he's put these on, and he's done a lot of screwing these bolts on. It's a lot of work for an old man, but he's on the last one. Is that the last one?
Yep.
There's a lot of bolts and screws there, but look how much better it looks. Well, y'all, we finally got this job done. We got through with the rotary plow, but I want y'all to look at what he took off of this. Look how bad these are. Well, y'all, we finally got our rotary till fixed. It's back to almost new. He went to a lot of trouble. He replaced the tills, he put a new hinge on it, got the flap ready for the dirt, and I think this thing is gonna be doing some flipping some dirt. What do y'all think? I think it's a lot better. And he replaced this one and spent probably around maybe $200. Don't really know the truth. But replacing this, if you bought a brand new one, you're probably looking at around $1,250. $1,250 compared to $200 is a lot better. It's ready to go in the garden behind the tractor. I think this is going to be a lot better to turn some dirt compared to these old ones. What do y'all think? We went from these little tiny rusty ones to these big new ones. I think that's going to be a big change for plowing a garden.
Well, like always, we just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and give it a thumbs up.